I'm taping.
That's too much.
Probably. Yeah. Hello and welcome, my fellow amateurs. Today we will be making waterless snow globes. Is this a birthday? Oh my gosh! Hey girl, hey! Honey, you want to say hi to her? Honey. Honey? I guess it's only right to honor her by pushing the subscribe button. Let's continue. For today's craft, what we'll need is a main piece, not a side piece, little side decorations, pick any of your choice, snow, where is that snow? Ah, here it is. Confetti or stickers. I didn't find stickers, so this is what we're working with. Lights. Lights. Not throwing this one now. Yeah! A glue gun and the stick, cause duh. And the jar. We chose these little candy dish thingies because they're big and we like to be difficult, I guess. But you can also use a mason jar or whatever you think, works. Have fun. So the first thing we're going to want to do is, depending on how you're building it, I'm going to take the top part of ours and we're going to do it upside down. So what we're going to do is glue everything to the lid. So we want to take our decorations. You guys go ahead and pick what you want. And we're going to place them the way we expect them or how we want them to see if they fit. Yay! Me lucky. Okay, well, now we have our placement, it's time to start gluing. So what we want to do is glue our main piece first and let it dry to the spot we want. And this is the part where I stop the video because who has time? You have time. No, you don't. You should be able to take it off.
Knowing you're sure.
Okay, now we have our main pieces. Let me turn it around. And I hope the editor can zoom in on this because I don't feel like getting up. I don't have that talent. You better get that talent. Okay. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Okay, bam. Okay. So, hopefully the editor also zooms in on the other ones because I'm still not getting up. But our next thing we're going to do is glue the little... And music right here now. No. So next, what we're going to do is take our other decorations, whatever you guys want to put in it, and just start gluing those down. And we hope this sticks. We might have over planned with the decorations, but we'll see how it turns out. Stay tuned.
Stay there too.
Oh yeah, and subscribe. I don't know if I said that, but that's really important.
Yeah, it's very important.
Yes. I'm taping. Not sponsored. Anyways, what we've learned is I'm gonna glue my hair to that. What we've learned is as we're going and placing each piece, keep checking to make sure this still goes over perfectly, or else you have
bad.
Shut up. Okay, they're dry enough. That seems good. So we're gonna continue. So next we take our lights and shove them in the bowl. I'm gonna see if I can wrap it around the circle though too. I was thinking the same thing because it has to go around the decoration. It's so cute.
What the?
We have lights!
What in the book? We got light-ish kind of thing. Try
This
it.
is not working for me. While I'm waiting for her, I'm gonna take the glue gun.
It's so long.
And we're gonna glue this to the outside. And hope it, oh, pretty. Hope it works. And hope it does melt off this plastic here. Oh my god, that's a lot of smoke. I'm not gonna blow up, right? You'll be an orphan. Then we're gonna let that dry. While we wait for her to figure her life out,
Yep.
we're gonna take our little piece we have here. You good, bro?
Sees everything but good.
Then we're gonna take our snow, pour it in this part.
That's too much.
Probably. Careful. Wait, pour it in?
You can do it.
Go ahead. You got this, boo.
Me.
And some of our little sparkles sent you.
Oh! That's hot. That's actually burnt.
My heart!
Sorry.
Oh, my heart!
Okay.
So much happening right now.
Stop judging me, y'all. I'm trying to make this look nice
You're the
because I plan
you're
on
the
keeping
one.
this
He's
during
take-
Halloween.
You're taking 1 million
with
years.
Spider.
You're taking 1 million years. You're taking too long.
I'm trying to see if this fits. Oh, yay! Okay, so what I want to do now is glue it. But I also want to see how much I put in here if it looks okay.
Can I try?
I like it.
Can I
I'm gonna
try
turn it around.
mine?
Let me help you. Give me a minute. See what? Okay, so I'm gonna flip it back. I like the way it looks. Put all this off.
Yeah.
And then we're going to take this part and put some hot glue on it and see how it goes. But I want to make sure I don't mess this up. Ah, okay. Perfect. Okay, so I'm going to do mine first and then we'll get to yours, okay?
Okay. And everybody, don't forget, you're going to need a parent, guardian, any but adult to do the hot glue.
Wait, wrong way. I can't remember, y'all.
Ooh.
And that is hot. So we're going to let that. We're going to let that cool off and dry. And I'm going to move on and help this thing out.
Meow.
There you go, you got it! Don't do it up like that, be careful, because it might lose the thing. Something we did not mention at the beginning of the video was ribbon. Only because originally it wasn't part of the plan, but after looking at them, that she came up with a great idea that we need some ribbon around it, and I thought, hell yeah, let's do it. Sorry, heck yeah? Am I allowed to say hell?
HE double hockey stick.
Hell. We're gonna put a bow on this. We're gonna wrap some ribbon around the bottom. I cut a little piece, and I'm thinking about gluing it, and then making a separate bow to glue back onto that. So we'll see how this turns out, and we'll do it all across the board. So we'll be back. Oh, I hate you. Okay, we're doing different types of bows. I just want to let everybody know. I just put like a little ribbon on mine and did a little bow on the side, and I glued it, and I'm waiting for it to dry. Editor, zoom in. And for his, I am tying little ribbons, and I plan on curling them. And what did you do, baby?
Ow! Put fake snow around the rim, and then I'm gonna put a bow and some more hay because it matches my owl.
Okay, this one is Mateo's. This is what his looks like. Try to pick them up so you guys can see. Little gingerbread house. Sorry, our camera will not focus. This one's mine. And this one's Leona's. Hers you can actually see. See if I can pan around. Okay, and let's see what it looks like with the lights off. And this is what they look like lit up. Oh wow, on camera that looks really bright. It just looks like a ball of fire. That's that one. Okay, the camera is not even catching us, but they are really cool. You can't see anything though. You really can't see anything. This is how we did. Let us know in the comments if you think we did well, if this is a to-do or a snafu. Also subscribe, let us know what we should be doing next. And that way we have more crafts for you all. And don't forget, you can always just like, just come to our channel, just say hi. You don't even have to do anything else.
And you can also follow our social medias, Amateurs Attempting, on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And our subreddit, Amateurs Attempting _craft or _cook.
Mateo, lead us out.
Until next time, my fellow amateurs.
What he said.